Now let's continue customizing your PopCards design. Like and subscribe so you never miss what's coming next at Epic Shops to help you sell more online. From the Design tab, under Customize Your PopCard, open the Image and Animation section. Here, you can upload an image, like a banner, product photo, or small graphic that supports your message. After uploading, add a short description for the image. This helps with accessibility and keeps your PopCard clear for all users. If you'd rather use an icon instead, just switch to the Use an Icon option. When you choose an icon, click the link to open the icon library. From there, you can browse the icons, copy the one you like, then paste it back here. After pasting the icon, click Preview to quickly check how it looks on your PopCard. Once you see the icon in place, you can adjust its size until it feels balanced with your text. Next, choose an animation. This controls how your PopCard appears on the screen. Subtle options like fade in or slide usually feel the cleanest and most natural, but you can explore any style that fits your brand's personality. You may use the preview again to see how the animation feels before moving on. Click Back to return to the menu. From there, open the Additional Styling section. Here, you can adjust the width to make your PopCard wider or more compact. Next, you can change the opacity or transparency of your PopCard. Use the slider to adjust it, so the PopCard can look slightly see-through or fully solid, depending on the look you want. You can also customize the background colors. Some layouts use a single background color, while others include a secondary or accent color. Both are completely normal. It just depends on the layout you chose. Below that, you can customize the border. Choose a border color, then select a border style to give your PopCard a bit more definition if you'd like. As you make changes, keep contrast in mind so your text stays easy to read. Once everything looks good, click Back to return to the Design menu. In the next video, we'll switch to an opt-in PopCard so you can see how to design the email sign-up form. Got questions? You can always click Get Help at the top right. Epic has got you covered. And if you want a demo or need extra support, just email support@epicshops.com. We'd love to help you explore what's possible and help you sell more online.